Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys the easiest, simplest recipe. You guys asked me, DM me for something simple. It's so simple and quick to make, so let's get to the recipe. For this recipe, we only need lettuce, tuna, some corn. You can add whatever you like, some mayo, hot sauce, black pepper, and some salt. So as I said, it's really quick to make this recipe. All you do is just add the mayo, add a bit of red hot sauce, add corn. You can add some tomatoes, olives, anything you like, some salt, some black pepper, and just mix everything. This is a really nice snack for, times that you're really hungry and you want to grab something. So this is something that you want to go for because it's really healthy and also it's really quick to make. So you're just gonna take your piece of lettuce, and you can add as much as you like. I'm just gonna roll it. Take the next one and repeat the same step. So this is it. This was really quick and fast, and at the same time it's a very healthy snack, or it could be your lunch or dinner depending on your diet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you try this out. It's simple, easy, and quick to make. Yeah, if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, don't forget that, and share with all your friends. Until next video, bye bye.